Hi folks, we're going to take a look at page 303, number 10, and here they give us this function, and they want us to show that the second derivative is actually equal to the function divided by 25. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So we'll start by finding the first derivative. Okay, so 5 over 2 is just a constant, so I can leave it out, and now I'm going to find the derivative of what it's multiplying. Okay, so let's start by the first term here. We'll have to use the chain rule. So e to the x over 5, the derivative will be e to the x over 5 times the derivative of x over 5, which is just 1/5. Okay, plus, same thing here, use the chain rule. So the derivative will be e to the negative x over 5 times the derivative of negative x over 5, which is negative 1/5. Okay, and since I have to take a second derivative, I definitely want to simplify as much as I can. Okay, so here there's a common factor of 1/5. So when I bring it out, that'll cancel out with the 5 in the denominator will cancel out with the 5 in the numerator. So I'm just left with my coefficient of 1/2, and in the bracket I'm left with e to the x over 5, and here, because of the negative, minus e to the negative x over 5. Okay, so that's as simple as I can get it. So now I'll go ahead and take the second derivative. Okay, so again, the 1/2 is just a constant, so I'll leave it out. And now I'm going to take these derivatives, but they're exactly the same as the ones before. So I can just copy what I see above. So that's e to the x over 5 times 1/5 minus e to the negative x over 5 times negative 1/5. Okay, but I need to show that this second derivative is equal to y over 25. So let me start simplifying. So again, I will factor out that common factor of 1/5. So here I'm left with 1/2 times 1/5, so that's 1 over 10 times e to the x over 5 minus e to the negative x over 5. Okay, or sorry, plus, because of the two negatives there. Okay, now let's take a look at what I need to show. Okay, my derivative here has y in it and no x values. And this is where I hope you'll now realize that this expression in the bracket looks very much like the original function. Okay, so y is equal to 5/2 times this expression. So if I want to know what this expression is equal to, I'll just multiply 2/5 to the other side of the equation. So e to the x over 5 plus e to the negative x over 5 is just equal to 2 over 5 y. Okay, so here 1/10, and so this whole thing can now be replaced by 2 over 5ths y, 2 over 5 y, and here simplify a little, and what are we left with? Just y in the numerator and 5 times 5, 25 in the denominator. So we've shown exactly what we needed to show. Okay, that's it.